Travel smart, live better. Wildlife and nature around the world by private jet.
Itinerary overview.
September 2-3, Hawaii. Your journey begins. Embark on a remarkable journey to explore the world's diverse ecosystems and wildlife wonders. Your adventure commences in the breathtaking Hawaiian Islands, known for their volcanic landscapes and unique flora and fauna. Immerse yourself in the rich culture and natural beauty of Hawaii as you prepare for your global exploration. September 5-6, Fiji, the coral ecosystem. Depart Hawaii and jet off to the picturesque islands of Fiji, where you'll dive into the mesmerizing world of coral reefs. Discover the vibrant underwater life and coral ecosystems that make Fiji a haven for marine biodiversity. Snorkel or scuba dive amidst colorful coral gardens and encounter an array of marine creatures. September 7-9, Tasmania, the Tasmanian Devil. Next, your private jet takes you to Tasmania, home to the enigmatic Tasmanian Devil. Explore the rugged wilderness of this island state, where you'll have the opportunity to encounter these iconic marsupials. Witness the unique flora and fauna of Tasmania's national parks, including Cradle Mountain Lake St. Clair National Park. September 10-12, Indonesia, the Komodo dragon. Journey to Indonesia's Komodo Island, where you'll come face to face with the world's largest living lizard, the Komodo dragon. Explore the lush landscapes and pristine beaches of this remote island. Learn about the conservation efforts to protect these remarkable reptiles. Sep 13-14, Sri Lanka, the Sri Lankan leopard. Fly to the enchanting island of Sri Lanka, home to the elusive Sri Lankan leopard. Venture into the national parks and rainforests of Sri Lanka, known for their biodiversity. Go on safari and seek out the majestic leopards and other wildlife that call this island home. September 15-17, Mauritius, coral reef and rainforest. Continue your journey to Mauritius, a paradise in the Indian Ocean known for its coral reefs and lush rainforests. Snorkel or dive in the crystal-clear waters of the coral reefs, and explore the verdant rainforests teeming with unique flora and fauna. Learn about Mauritius' conservation efforts to protect its natural wonders. Sep 18-20, Zambia, Lower Zambezi National Park. Arrive in Zambia and venture into the pristine wilderness of Lower Zambezi National Park. Experience thrilling safaris along the Zambezi River, renowned for its diverse wildlife. Encounter elephants, lions, hippos, and other iconic African animals in their natural habitat. Sep 21-23, Salvador, Brazil, Bay of All Saints. Explore the cultural and ecological richness of Salvador, Brazil, located along the stunning Bay of All Saints. Delve into the history and vibrant traditions of this coastal city. Discover the unique blend of Afro-Brazilian culture and explore the diverse ecosystems of the surrounding region. September 24-27, the Amazon, the riverine ecosystem. Conclude your epic journey in the heart of the Amazon rainforest, one of the world's most biodiverse regions. Explore the Amazon's lush jungles, navigate its winding waterways, and encounter its astonishing wildlife. Gain insight into the vital role the Amazon plays in the global ecosystem and conservation efforts to protect this invaluable natural treasure.